You're taking the video now?
Yeah, you come, get the bike here.
Okay. Is it okay ಅನ್ಸತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ? ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು. They actually want to take a video. Okay. This will be on Instagram, right? Thanks, bro. Thanks a lot. Your name? Yes. Pardon, bro.
What is up, my lovely friends? This is your friend DJ reporting back to you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bangalore on Two Wheels. What is happening, Naman? There are 4 days happening. Well, today's vlog, you have clicked here to check out how does the Akrapovic exhaust sounds onto the Dominar 400. Well, without wasting much of your time, let me proceed into the video. But there are few things that I need to keep you informed before I start the video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't let it keep glowing. It should be grayed out so that I feel really encouraged and to make more and more such videos for you guys. And if you like this video, at the end of it, do mind hitting the like button. Now let's begin. Last time I did do an exhaust change onto my Dominar 400, and that was Leo Winch exhaust, the Cobra exhaust. If you guys have not seen that video, please do hit on the link I button appearing above. And about this Akrapovic exhaust, I will let you know the price and the place that I've bought it from. That I didn't do it for my Leo Winch Cobra exhaust. Got it from the HTRZ Mods Bengaluru, and these guys are located in BTM layout. If you want to know more and more about these people, I will leave the link in the description box below, and you can check out other beautiful exhaust and motorcycle accessories that they have. They are genuine. Let's move ahead and listen to the Akrapovic exhaust full system along with the bent pipe with no catalytic converter, and how beautiful does it sound to your ears. So let's begin. Right, so I'm here at the Mr. Ibrahim's Garage Motor Junction, that's behind me, and we're gonna see how is the Akrapovic exhaust that's gonna sound with DB killer and without DB killer. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and hear it. Aja Ibrahim bhai. Back to camera is actually Ibrahim bhai himself, so he's helping me with the camera. Alright.